on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note. Thereafter, intraday, the selling pressure just intensified, and the Nifty ended the day on a negative note, down 157 points for the day. The market breadth was negative with 324 advances to 1172 declines. Heavyweights like HDFC Limited, Reliance Industries, ITC, HUL, Infosys, TCS, L&T were major drivers, while Lupin, Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, Sun Pharma managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that in the last trading session itself, the Nifty had closed below the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. In the last update, we pointed out that it was an extremely bearish sign and we did not expect a bounce since these failure of holding on these averages was an extremely bearish sign. In today's trading session, we saw that follow through, and the Nifty has ended the day on a negative note, down 150 points. So that was the extreme bearish case that we looked at. In today's poll, it has reached our short-term target. So further downside targets now open up. We expect levels of 80 to 40 on the downside, which is close to the 40-week moving average. And also, when we join these two swing lows, then some kind of a support can be achieved at around 80 to 50, 80 to 40 kind of a level. So we are expecting more downside in the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. And on the downside, 80 to 40 is our short-term target. The reversal will be placed at today's high of around 86.20 odd levels. Now moving on to the hourly charts, you can observe that even though in the last trading session it had a very oversold reading on the momentum indicators, today we did not see any kind of a bounce, and the Nifty just kept drifting lower with each and every passing hour. Our sense is that the fall shall continue in the coming trading sessions. On the downside, 83.90, which is the 78.6% retracement level, can act as a support. However, once that is even taken out, then 80 to 40 is on the cards for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. So 83.90 and 82.69, which is this previous swing low, can act as crucial supports. On the upside, 85.30 and 85.60 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also saw some selling pressure. Importantly, in the morning, for the morning session, the Bank Nifty, on the back of ICICI Bank being positive for most part of the day, was trading in the positive. However, once the selling pressure just intensified on the Nifty, it was also it did spread onto the Bank Nifty as well, and it closed the day on a negative note. Our sense is that the Bank Nifty also has more downside left, so we continue to maintain a negative stance on Bank Nifty as well. 17,980 and 17,720 are crucial supports for Bank Nifty. 18,300 and 18,500 are crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Yes, today's trading session we have seen a sharp fall. So some kind of a consolidation is not ruled out. However, if it is very unlikely that we see some kind of consolidation, considering the fact that the stocks are now, the heavyweights which were now holding up to the Nifty are now starting giving off, and they are giving off in huge percentages, say 4, 5, 6% every day. So, and these stocks have a huge amount of weightage on the Nifty. So don't expect any kind of a consolidation or a pullback, and we expect the selling pressure in Nifty to continue in the coming trading sessions. So that's all for the day. Thank you.